Hi. So people often ask about the cabins we pick on the Sky Princess. So I particularly like those front cabins, and the thing is they're actually some of the cheapest you can get on board. So let's just go for a balcony. Actually no, we'll do it this way around. You can see what I do. So I want a balcony, so I'm going to click interior. Obviously, gosh, what kind of idiot do I think I am? And then there's this cheaper one, which they're all gone, and you've got the deluxe obstructed balcony, and we're going to go all the way down here to there, and we're going to click on that, and 104. 104 is fantastic. And we'll just pick the cheapest fare, so you get an idea of how much it costs. So for my holiday, it's 2747, and we're going to get what was that? Well, L104, next to when we stopped last time. Very nice. Big balcony, great views. You worry about the sea or the wind? No, it's fine. There is no problems whatsoever. All you get is the best thing ever. You can go to port, you can have lunch on your deck. It's absolutely fantastic. But that wasn't the point of the example, was it? So then if you want a balcony, you click on here. So bear in mind, I clicked, so ours is deluxe. It's not premium deluxe. I'll click on this one. It's just deluxe. And let's just pick what we'd pick. So that's actually the cheapest one, so we'll pick the cheapest one. Most people would probably, if you're not keen on getting my balcony, you would probably go further down here. So you're looking at extra £50, but let's not be tight. We'll pick on this. Click on this, and there we go. There we go, R102. Same again, we're going to go for the basic package, and that's it. So for the basic balcony of the same grade, at the front still, so bear in mind, if I didn't pick by the front and went middle, it'd be another £150, it'd be 3,147. But for the balcony we pick all the time, or the area we pick all the time, but you have to be early, you've got to get in early, otherwise you're going to miss these. 2,747. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I shouldn't really be sharing this secret because it's the biggest, amazing thing. You can have like a sweet balcony, sweet as in like posh place, not like sweeties, for like hundreds of pounds less. Hundreds of pounds less. I shouldn't tell people, but it's the best not kept secret ever. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our next series of videos. Laters!